Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, I defined a new controller for permission and manage permission in this panel admin. Okay, I open and run PHP artisan. Open, close this, open HTTP controller and admin. In admin, I define migrate. Make controller and in admin and permission controller. Okay, I defined this and open permission controller. In this I open user and copy all and paste on permission for speedily work. Okay, I change it to all user to dollar user, selected all to dollar permissions. Okay, and find user to permission and quick keyword search like name and label, and remove this not needed admin, dollar permission and permissions use and lattice and page 20. Okay, it is okay. And in view admin and users, I copy all to this and change it name to permissions. Okay, and change it to Control F all and select all to permissions, and these permissions. Okay, and in index I define it new user, new in permissions. Okay, and define it permission and permissions controller. I remove this and alt import permissions to controller. Okay, in a site and users, I define it permissions and define it permissions. Okay, and change to user. If refresh, added permission to these, and if click open permission in this and index. Okay, undefined variable users, change it to permission and admin layout board, copy this and use this and use PHP artisan route list for get permissions route, admin users, admin permission and permission. Just change it users to these permissions and permissions route permissions add user. I remove this, not admin, okay, and change to create permission, okay, and root search name and remove this label and action dollar permissions of dollar and permission, okay, dollar permission ID, dollar permission name, dollar permission label, and remove this and this, okay. In these dollar permissions render and dollar permission ID for delete and edit, and permission user, change it instead of user, edit and permissions, copy these and permissions, edit, permissions, destroy. If refresh, I see permissions and create permission and search, and it is good, okay. We can search, edit work and other work, edit, change it to edit to permission, okay, and index work, and we can use of delete, delete it is in this user work. For I close this and close this, just use this home PHP close, and in create, if use create method in permissions create, I just change it to admin permissions and create, and open create and change it to user to permission, okay, create permission and to users to permissions store, just name and label, copy and name and text okay, and remove this and submit, refresh, and it is good. Create new permissions on this, and check store method, after check create new user, label is no label and name required, dollar okay, dollar user change to dollar permission, if open this store method dollar permission and create permission, and this remove alert and use permission, okay, successfully used permission. I change alert message in these permissions successfully update and permission successfully delete, okay. Sorry, create change permission, okay. In store method it is good and it is work, root just change to permission, no permissions index, okay. I create, refresh and create this and permissions, show user, and label say show user and submit, and permission successfully create and added this show user added this but not submit a label. We can this in create use of this $data. We can say this and just string and say label, and if create edit user and say edit user, okay, and submit and successfully and create label. Okay, in edit method I access to permissions and find $id permissions and pass permissions. For example, edit this and error, edit form and edit permission $permission name and edit permission and dollar permission and set permission and use these permissions update and name dollar copy this permission and dollar permission label, okay, and say label and type change to text name label, okay, and remove and this and update button, it is okay. Refresh and see edit permissions show user. We can use of this permission show user, and I change to define new this and use update method. Update method not work because in update change it to permission and update this and update this, okay, and in this just use label. I copy of this and remove this and say label, okay, remove this $data, it is remove this permission update this, it is remove this and this and change to this update, okay. I refresh this page and update this permission successfully updated to this and it is work. And for destroy just use permission and update this to permission and permission successfully update. It is good, it is good. I remove in 3 1 2 and 3, okay.